This is a quick little tutorial on how to oil and style your brows. Oiling them is very important. I cannot stress this enough. If you don't oil them, they will look dry, and we are not aiming for that look. We want them to be hydrated. We want them to look cute. So we're gonna oil them. After oiling them, we're just gonna grab the spoolie and brush upwards. Don't brush straight up, just brush upwards at an angle, because that's the way I style them and that's the way I trim them. After oiling them, we're going to grab a Q-tip and just clean up the residue off your forehead. Now I'm just adding concealer. If you have full brows like her, I recommend for you to just conceal the bottom of the brow and blend it out with a brush. And if you have more of a sparse brow, then I recommend for you to grab a brow pencil and shade in the areas where you don't have any brow hair. And then grab a concealer and just clean up the bottom of the brow. Also, I will be having a new oil for you guys, better than the one that I'm giving out now in the little baggies, so just a heads up for that.